To me, this is like living in a resort. Album Benbrook is a perfect place to live, perfect floor plans, storage. Everything here is what I want. I love the pool, love the security. The mix and mingle party is perfect every week. Lots of us play games. There's just so much that you can do. You don't have to go looking. It's right here.
My experience here at Album has been more than we expected. There are so many varied things that someone will find something that they like. It's fun, and I'm all about fun.
The sense of community here at the Album is very uplifting.
Everybody's hugging and shaking hands and asking where you've been, how you've been feeling.
The location is great. We're close to Fort Worth, shopping, restaurants.
I think my peace of mind has been very settled having my parents here at the Album community. There are many things about this community that make it perfect for their situation.
Here at Album, we offer more than just apartment homes. We offer a sense of community where people can foster friendships and experience a lifetime of fun.